Hi, I'm Sean Shirazi and this is CodeMic, a new way to talk about code. CodeMic lives inside your IDE, and when you first open it, it might look like a YouTube sidebar, but the difference becomes apparent once you hit play and see the IDE come to life, replaying every click, scroll and keystroke previously recorded. Notice that when I jump to another chapter, the entire workspace remains perfectly in sync with the accompanying video, audio and images. And as I hover over the timeline, you can see a quick summary of the file and even the specific line displayed at that point. A crucial difference from a screencast is what happens when you pause. Here you have the freedom to explore, whether it's looking up the definition of something you're unsure about, investigating something that piqued your interest, or even modifying the code and running it to gain a deeper understanding of how it behaves in real time. You see the code not in isolated fragments, but in its entirety and proper context, with access to all your tools to explore and experiment. Finally, when you hit play again, the workspace is restored and the session continues as normal. Recording is very easy too. For example, let's edit this session. Here you can write the details and choose the starting point from a Git repository. In the timeline, you get an overview of when we switch between files, shown here in blue and green, along with the text of the line where the cursor is at each point in time. Now let's hit the record button to continue the session. Every action is now being captured, and you can already see the current line being displayed in the timeline. Also, you can add video, audio, and images and rearrange them as needed. And finally, when you're done, you can easily publish it and share it with everyone else. This is a new kind of medium, one that allows us to follow a guide through thousands or millions of lines of code in ways that books, blog posts, and a screencast have never been able to achieve. And this is the essence of CodeMic, to help us pass on our expertise and passion for the art of programming.